How to lock your iPhone with your voice. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to lock your iPhone with your voice, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option accessibility. Now click on accessibility. In accessibility, then scroll down and click on vocal shortcuts. First of all, click on setup vocal shortcuts and then click on continue, and now here you can select your shortcut like lock screen. Now enter your command name, lock my iPhone, and then click on go. Now say lock my iPhone, lock my iPhone, lock my iPhone, and then click on continue. Now go back to your home screen and say lock my iPhone, lock my iPhone. It will lock my iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.